Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today I'm very excited because we have the 2017 Audi RS6 Avant Super Treasure Hunt. I was really excited to get this one, so I couldn't wait to open it. So here it is, opening today. Oh, look at it. It's in that Spectra Flame burgundy color there. It's such a cool car, being in the Factory Fresh series. It's car 5 of 10 there, and it's a brand new model for 2018. I really love the color of this one too. It's just so nice, and the artwork on the card there, it suits this car really well. You can see that Super Treasure Hunt symbol right there on the card. Yeah, let's get it out. Let's have a look at it. It's got those sort of light grey tinted windows. It's got a grey interior. It's got heaps of stamps on it. You can see it says the Audi symbol. It's got the Quattro on the number plate. It's pretty nice. Got the number plate on the back. It's got that little TH there for the Super Treasure Hunt symbol. It's actually just really nice car. I'm even looking forward to getting this one in the regular Mainline that's also released this year in the red color. So you'll be able to find this car in the M case for 2018. You can see there it's got the Real Rider, not really Real Rider are they, but they're rubber tires, so that's pretty cool. They come off, so you wouldn't want to lose them. But anyway, it's a really sweet car. Take a look. Just so nice. I'm going to test it out on the track. I don't think it's going to go well on a normal track builder track because it's got those Real Rider tires, but we'll check it out anyway. On a downhill, it would probably be a lot better. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this one. Have you got it yet? Have you found it? I was so lucky to get this one. All right, here it is on the track. Don't have much hope for it. Yeah, pretty pathetic. Alright everyone, big thumbs up, comments down below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage, and enjoy all the detailed views of this Audi Super Treasure Hunt. Thanks everyone.